In your younger years, you was working for the money. In your older years, your money should be working for you. I think that's a pretty good lead in to become financially free. You know, why wait until you 60 years old to go try to buy a house? You know, some people decide to do that. Ain't nothing against people that want to live in an apartment and all that. Hey, you do what you have to do. But why, when you get 60 years old, you want to buy a house? You know, unless you coming in there with a boatload of money and you finna just buy the house and not have payments. Because imagine you 70 years old and you got a $2,000 or $3,000 a month mortgage payment, and most mortgages are for 30 years. I can't imagine being 80 years old and struggling with a $2,000 or $3,000 mortgage payment, let alone the upkeep that goes along with owning a house. Because if you own a house, your work is never done. It's always something to do. I take me for instance. Last week, I had it had been like 15 years or so. I had the screen people to come out and rescreen my whole pool enclosure. You have to do that here in the state of Florida to keep the mosquitoes out. When you want to sit outside or whatnot, because the mosquitoes will tote you away. You know, but I had the pool screens rescreened yesterday. I had my painter. He came out and he repainted, put me a fresh coat of paint on my pool deck, so everything is freshly painted. You know, last year I got the house repainted because the sun will fade your paint. It start to look a different color as the paint get older. So you got to keep that going. Keep your stuff looking good. You got to. You know, but so it's always something to do if you got a house. Always. And you know how you women are. You guys, y'all. I don't like this. I want these type floors. I want this room painted this color, and I want this. I want that. And men, we don't really care too much about it. Just long as everything is clean and looking nice, we don't care. We let y'all run with it. We just provide the money. But hey, that's how life is. Hey, everybody enjoy. Enjoy. But anyway, I'm finna go inside here and grab me some iced tea. Come back out here, and I get with you guys again in a few. Oh, let me go get my drink. If it wasn't so hot, I'd be having me an old glass of Macallan, but too early right now and too hot.